Welcome back, everyone. We've got a new section here, our first of a handful of sections on HTML. So in this section, we're going to go over the very basics, and for that reason, there's a lot of stuff that I'm going to consider very crucial that will pop up throughout the rest of the course. So in no particular order, paragraph elements, HTML headings, HTML lists, anchor tags, which is how we make a link in HTML to link to another web page, images. These are things that we use all the time. I mean, this web page I'm on right now consists of, let's see, I've got headings here. I've got an image, a horrible image of myself right there. There are anchor tags, links that I can click to go to other places. And that's just, in 10 seconds what I spotted. So these are crucial elements, things that you'll use all the time. We haven't actually learned any HTML, so I can't really say much more than that. Now, I'm also going to spend a little bit of time talking about a resource called Mozilla Developer Network. I believe it's very important, but it's not crucial. There are other resources that you could use in place of MDN. I just like to teach it. HTML boilerplate is the only yellow card in this stack. Again, I can't really go into what boilerplate is at this point. It's yellow just because it involves a little bit more work and explanation than some of these other things. But overall, this section, doesn't have any super complex ideas and no single topic that takes a huge amount of time. Next up, we've got the Chrome inspector, which I'm going to put under important, but not critical or crucial. We're using Chrome in the course, so it's important for the course, but other developers favor things like Firefox, where the Chrome inspector doesn't really come into play at all. And then lastly, in nice to have, I'll show you a little, a trick or just a nice feature of VS Code. It has nothing to do with HTML or even web development. It's just something that I'm putting in this section. You can skip the whole video if you'd like. But yeah, it's there for a reason. It's nice to have. So let's go ahead and get started with HTML. As we saw, most things in this section are pretty important. Fortunately, they're pretty short, relatively easy to understand topics. So here we go.